Welcome, folks. This is Ken with Proving Ground Services. If it ain't green, it ain't green. I look about services, how to do videos, and even some work that we've done recently. And all the work we do, everything from what you need to drainage, irrigation service, new installs, all of that. Remember, if it ain't green, it ain't green. And welcome to the Pro Green family. This is Dallas there about 20 feet. Seen the picture before. We are getting a yard ready for sod. So I'm just getting all the irrigation parts ready. Had to move some heads out, move some bricks. We'll put all those back as best as we can. And let's go over here. There's some heads behind the mailbox I'm going to replace with new ones. And I had to fix a break. The customer decided to put a driveway over a broken pipe, so I fixed that. So now the pressure's good. We'll put those bricks back and we'll just get everything right and ready to lay new sod. All right, zone 1, okay. Change all the heads. Everything looks good. We got one more on that side. Let's go over there. And we have this one over here. Okay, that gets all of this. That corner, we have another head right there in the corner. That's on another zone. That's on another zone, okay? But she comes all the way around. And this area right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, giving all, and that one's doing 360, giving all this right here where I'm at coverage. Let's go to zone number 2, which is the pop-ups on the other side of my van. All right, this is zone number 2, right by my van, where all the grass is dead. We replaced every head, even on the other side. We're gonna clean all that up when we lay the sod and go from there. And there's the stranglehead in that corner. Okay, we're gonna have sod and all over here, getting all this block here. That stranglehead is doing all that. Okay. All right. Now we're ready for new sod. All right, pallets are here, ready for sod. That looks real good. Give me a smile, TJ. Not over there.
Trying to run away.
Got the irrigation in, you gotta have irrigation. Good, very good.